Welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we'll show you how to turn off notification in Discord using simple steps on your PC. So let's get started. Step 1. Open the Discord app on your computer. Once it's open, look for the gear icon at the bottom left corner. This is your user settings, and click on it. Step 2. Inside the user settings menu, scroll down the left panel until you see notifications under the app settings section. Click on it to open your notification preferences. Step 3. Here you'll find several toggle options. If you want to stop all notifications completely, simply turn off the Enable Desktop Notifications switch. Step 4. You can also customize notifications by turning off specific ones, like message alerts or just the notification sounds, depending on what you prefer. Step 5. If you ever want to turn notifications back on, just return to the same settings and toggle the options back to your liking. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more quick and helpful tech tips.